Hello there, this is Don Current with Shelbyville Today. I just wanted to give a brief introduction to this video just to kind of set the stage for what this is. This is the first graduating class from the Manufacturing Skills Connection. And what that is a collaborative effort between business, government, and education to help get our workforce ready for what is necessary in the new economy. And basically, manufacturers are just finding that students coming out of school just don't have the skills that are required for running some of today's equipment and manufacturing processes. We have a lot of equipment that is more technical, running CNC lathes and things like that. And they also need to have a little bit of ability to, troubleshoot things and things like that. So basically, our government leaders recognize that that's an issue, and they've partnered with the businesses to help get good employees for the businesses. And then Ivy Tech is the program that is being used to help train these people. And so Duke Energy actually put forth quite a bit of money for Shelby County as well as some other counties to put this program into place. And so it's totally free to the students. And it's a 7-week program that helps get them ready for the workforce. And they have several local manufacturers that have gotten on board with that, and I just want to call them out here. Makuta Technics, Ryobi Die Casting, VIP Tooling, Indiana Precision Forge, O'Neill Steel, and PMC Smart Solutions all partnered in this and agreed that yes, this is going to produce the kind of people that we want to hire. And additionally, when they get done with this program, they actually have a certification that is good in the whole U.S. It is recognized as a manufacturing certification, and we'll give these people a leg up no matter where they go. But obviously, we, us as well as the local manufacturers want to keep them here. So that is part of the deal. And as you'll see in the video, the manufacturers were on location, ready to kind of do a hiring fair with these guys, kind of go through, interview them, and see if there's a potential fit for their positions that are open. And I will try and follow up for you later on that to see, how that went. The Local Economic Development Association also was involved in this program. So great collaborative effort. And these first 7 students that you see come through this program will be a great test for this. And of course, they want to continue to run it and have more people get involved. So Work One is also involved. Get a hold of Work One. Get a hold of the city government. Find somebody. Ivy Tech can talk to you about this. And it's free education. 7-week program built around your schedule. A lot of these people worked while they were going through this program. And so designed to fit you, to get you ready for a job in the new manufacturing environment. So watch this video and see what it's about. And hopefully we can do some more of this kind of stuff in our community. Thanks.
Further ado, I'd like to introduce our illustrious mayor, Tom Devon. That's the biggest word I could come up with.
Good morning. Thank you all for coming and congratulations. This is an idea that we created about 2 years ago. And I was at a meeting in French Lick and sitting in a class that was run by a gentleman named Craig Lamb, and I was one of 3 people in this class. It was not the most exciting, exotic thing that you could ever come and listen to. And the reason I went was because it involved training and economic development. And before I became mayor, I was the planning director for about 19 years with the city of Shelbyville, and so I'd worked with every industry who had grown or located here in the past 19 years. And they all had the common complaint. The common complaint was, we would love to grow our business in your community, we would love to look at new investment in the community, but we have real concerns about the workforce. And so as I cycled through those years, talking to those folks, sitting in city council meetings, listening to various council members ask, what's your largest challenge in the community? It was consistently qualified workers. And so after I became mayor, I sat down with Dan Theobald and Deb and many others and said, how do we fix this? And then one day I just happened to run across Craig Lamb at his seminar down in French Lick and listened to what he had to say. And so I immediately came back, met with Dan, met with several others on SCDC and local industry and said, look, we have a potential solution here, are you on board? And immediately Kathy Winning and Duke Energy steps up to the plate and says we'd be happy to award a grant if there's some buy-in from some others. So the city of Shelbyville kicked in some money, Ivy Tech stepped up, Duke Energy graciously provided a significant amount of money, and we moved forward with this program. And so we then went back to the local industry and said, okay, we have a solution, but it requires you to buy in as well. And immediately, without hesitation, Ryobi Die Casting, Makuta, now O'Neill Steel, Plastic Moldings, and others have stepped up to the plate and said, you know what, we believe in this because we understand that we have to be partners in our sustainability as well. And you are the culmination of those efforts. I hope that this does something for you professionally. I truly believe that education is the way to improve your lot in life. And I think that starts at the elementary school level and will move all the way up through the adult. And so for you all to take the leap and to do this, some of you were already employed, some of you were not, and you did this on your own time, and it was a significant investment in time. But local industry and local government believed in you enough to invest their dollars in your time. And so I hope you make the best of it, and I hope the next class is even larger and even more successful, and I wish you the best of luck. So with that, I'll invite Kathy Winning from Duke Energy to come up and make a few remarks, and then we'll get started.
Thank you, Mayor.
Thank you.
The mayor provided just a wonderful background about how the program got started, and I want to also extend my congratulations to each of the 5 graduates who are here with us this morning. I had a chance to chat with each of you, and I'll say again that the devotion and the dedication that you showed to the program by participating over the course of the last 8 or 9 weeks here, showing up for class, doing your assignments and so forth, you're to be commended. Today is really all about you and your accomplishments, and I wish each and every one of you the best of luck going forward. Duke Energy, as the mayor mentioned, got involved with the program, and statewide we provided funds for scholarships to the tune of $312,000. And those funds were provided to 5 different regions, and we were fortunate enough to have 2 of those regions be in my area of responsibility. We've got the classes going on over in the Richmond region and then here in the Shelbyville region. So I'm delighted that each of you had the opportunity to take advantage of the class itself, and I'm thrilled that Duke Energy valued this program in such a way to really dedicate a significant amount of money to the program. As I shared with one individual earlier this morning, if you see ways that we might be able to improve things, please let us know. If you see things that really went well and you think that this is really something that's helped you, I would encourage you to go out and let at least 5 other people know about the program. Because it is a good program, and not saying that there might not be things we could do a little bit better. If there are things to do better, let us know, but spread the word, and let's get a lot of other people enrolled so that the next class is going to be 2 times or 3 times the size of this class. So with that, again, congratulations to each and every one of you.
Okay. We will now we're well ahead of schedule, which is great. We'll now do the certification presentation. So Kathy and I will invite up our first graduate, which is Alvin Baker.
Congratulations, Alvin.
Our next one is Jay Burkheimer.
I'll have you stand in the middle, Jay.
Oh. A rose between 2 thorns.
There you go. Congratulations.
Thank you. Congratulations. There you go. Next we have Michael Connor. Congratulations, Michael. Pablo Ramirez Perez? No? All right. How about Logan Ross? No? Ansel Smith?
Congratulations, Amy.
Congratulations, Amy. Make sure I get the right one for you.
There you go. And Mark Yancey.
Congratulations, Mark.
Congratulations. Yeah.
That concludes the presentation of certificates. And now we have an employer panel discussion about participation in the program. Who's leading that?
If the employer representative would like to come up to the front, we'll just have you sit up here. Okay, you waited long enough to do it. But what we'd like for you to do is now just spend a few minutes explaining why you believe in the program and why you wish to participate, and what you're kind of looking for in candidates, and then we'll get into our career fair event after this.
Want me to start it off?
Yo.
All right. My name is Robert Lewis. I work for Indiana Precision Forge, and I don't know about the other employers up here, but I'm pretty excited about this program because I've actually seen a little bit of its success in Lafayette. I actually worked for a staffing firm that worked in the Caterpillar plant up there. So I was pretty familiar with this program when we got started. So I was excited to get over here and see the program get launched. So with that said, Indiana Precision Forge is a Tier 2 supplier to the automotive industry. And we are cold forging as a primary operation, and we have lots of secondary operations, CNC, your typical lathes and grinders and that type of thing. And we're really looking for people with the basic skill sets, understanding CNC, even possibly some people to run our primary operation, our cold forging, which is kind of our bread and butter. So it takes a certain set of skills to do that. We need to have some ideas of pneumatics, and hydraulics, and mechanical motions. Some basic, just some real basic manufacturing skills. And I think that this certification gives that to people, and that's why Indiana Precision Forge is here looking for candidates.
My name is Shelby County Program. I'm with PMC Plastic Molding Company. We've been here in Shelbyville for about 4 years. Recently, we've added on a new division of our organization. So we've been in the automotive industry for a little over 80 years. We have now added on medical device manufacturing. So we're a custom injection molder. We have found that we have struggled over the years finding individuals that can advance within our organization. We can find individuals that can come in and start with our organization, but we can't find an individual in that skilled trade. Those skilled trade individuals are very difficult to find anymore because people aren't going into those skilled trades. So we were excited about this type of training and this type of development program because that at least gives the foundation for an individual to enter into our type of program so that we can build on them and they can come into our organization, have a good foundation, and then we can build them through our training programs that we offer through our organization. We have a lot of training that we do in-house, like many of these other providers, because we found that those programs are not out in the workplace anymore. They're not out in the school system, they're not out in the trade programs. So we develop people from within our organization. We do, as I said, custom injection molding. It's a very niche market. So We do it in the automotive, we do it in the medical device, we have a complete clean room, we make components that go under the hood of an engine, and we make components that go into the human body. So we're very diverse in what we do. So we're excited about this program, we're excited about learning about each of these graduates in this program, and we look forward to the opportunity to get to know you.
My name is Chris Dyke. I'm with O'Neill Manufacturing out of Indianapolis. We are a manufacturing facility for OEMs or original equipment manufacturers. I think what we found is needing applicants that have a background in manufacturing. It's very important, and everything about this program supports that. It introduces them to every aspect that we really look forward to them coming in and being exposed to. They come in, we're hoping, just more excited and more ready to learn. Right now, we are getting ready to ramp up. We are very busy, so we are very excited about this program and look forward to more classes.
Good morning, I'm Scott Shepard from Ryobi Die Casting. First, congratulations to all 5 of the graduates that are here again today. Like everybody else up here, we're very excited to be able to be here with you today. It's a great program that you're part of. You heard the mayor talk about the challenges of a workforce in our county and surrounding counties, and it's a real thing. We're going to go over 1,000 employees this year at Ryobi, and we struggle to find employees that are ready to come to work with the right skill set to be successful. And no company wants anything more than to bring people that have the right skill set to be successful, because if you are successful, we as a company will be successful. So we're very excited about the skill set that you've learned through this program. We think it gives you a leg up on your peers that are applying for jobs out there that don't have that same skill set. So we're very excited to talk to all of you. As I mentioned, we're going to continue to grow here, over 1,000 employees this year. Last year we put more than 7 million parts out into the automotive industry. So an awful lot of us in this room are probably driving a car that have Ryobi parts somewhere on them. And when I started, I wanted to work. So we need people that can come in and do the work in a quality way to make sure that your neighbors, your loved ones, when they start their car, it works the way it's supposed to. And you guys now have the beginning of that skill set to be able to do that. And we're very excited to talk to you later today. So again, congratulations.
Thank you. That concludes our presentation ceremony for today. For this morning, we'll move into the career fair part. So if you guys want to move out to your tables and booths there, what we'll do now is a rotation amongst the applicants from each table. We'll give you about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll have you move from table to table, okay? That way you get an opportunity to meet with every applicant and meet with every company. Thank you.
While learning. So,